I bought it for 310.
That high cap scares me.
I bought it for 310, but
It looks like you guys are about to make out at one point.
I don't mind.
Is this your original?
Can't pick up the phone. All this shit that I'm on. Already sick of this song. Can't pick up the phone. All this shit that I'm on. I'll probably end up alone.
Oh, sorry. I've been using tracers for so long. This is like the first time I haven't shot anything without a tracer. I have no idea if I'm hitting people. I'm just like da 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 da. What?
It's a weird adjustment going from a tracer to non.
What?
You not have your tracer unit?
I do, but the thread's broken.
Oh, the threads are bad.
Yeah, the thread is like worn out, so I couldn't twist it on.
Hey, you want to run my AEG with the fucking tracer unit?
Oh really?
Yeah, it's outside.
I mean, what? Okay, cool. For real?
Yeah.
Oh, dope. All right, nice. Very good.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Police department, the new sheriff. We need to talk to you about where you were at midnight. Did you care?
Dead? Oh shit! Fuck, my bad.
Softly rude. We just want to talk to you. Did you happen to watch the news? Divorce dad killer's back on the loose. At the crime scene, left lots of clues. Dropped his tools, lost both socks and shoes. Somebody saw the dude and said he looked like a messed out prostitute. Sorry, y'all, not the guy. Can't talk right now, not tonight. We left some crime, but I swear to you, nobody's tied up, locked inside of my 13-bathroom, 10-bed mansion, backyard with a two-shed expansion. Have Ted Bundy, have Ted dancing, somehow ugly and drop dead handsome. It's hard to explain, even to a Princeton Harvard brain. Either end up in the Hall of Fame or down in the Wall of Fame. Can't pick up the phone. All of this shit that I'm on. Already sick of this song. Can't pick up the phone. All of this shit that I'm on. Already end up alone.
Okay, we're good. Hey, good shit. Oh, whoa, ow! Oh, damn!
Defect. Big mushroom hit reset. Y'all couldn't take my style if you took my chain and you had my presets. Flying with a sack in the backpack, I forgot I had that. It's a good thing I got pre-check, huh? Sitting up front with a seat back, you don't want to smoke no e-cig, huh? I get a call head over in a red Rover like I'm on recess, huh? If you can't keep that dirty little secret, I might lock that bitch like a reject. If my exes send me text, that shit bounce back like a reflex. Oh wow, up until now, that ain't occurred to me. Giving a smile and waving security. I'm still a child, I blame immaturity. Currently, I don't got time to play with them. I'm in a state of emergency. I severed the vein in surgery, turn all the furniture burgundy. Now it's a murder scene. Can't pick up the phone. All this shit that I'm on. Already sick of this song. Can't pick up the phone. All this shit that I'm on.
Damn! Yeah. Oh shit, sorry. The fuck you guys doing out here making out?
no, my other change is fucking caught up.
Alright.